welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about, the tapes that she had with Miss D. She's saying that, Miss D had came out on those tapes to say that basically what she had said to the people on her lives wasn't what she should have said because Maxine didn't give her old clothes and stuff like that. So that's what Maxine is saying. Maxine is also saying that people are easily manipulated and she would be careful around them if she was Dana, basically. And she's also talking about, you know, her, her whole life, her background when she was younger. She's giving out a story about herself as well. So you might want to go and catch that video. And guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, have yourself a wonderful, wonderful birthday. And a happy, happy birthday to you. I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and a year filled with prosperity. And for all my other lovelies out there today, I just want to wish you a wonderful, special, and fulfilled day.
Laugh at me through Dana. Me say Dana laugh at me. Me know Janet through Dana. Me say Janet. Me say Dana Janet. Barbisha. Me know Barbisha. Diane Barbisha. Me always put somebody name. Cause me head they go, So me always put who for name me familiar with that person. How me know that person. But I didn't know if it's Dana me having on my phone. Dana this, Dana Parlet, Dana this, Dana that. Yes! And me come out here and me tell you now. Me say, number one. Me can't play the live make you no hear it. Me say number one, me no drink water from Jashi. I come out here and I tell you now. I said I would not drink water from Jashi. Because Jassy is easy manipulated by them. Me say I leave the water in the buckle. And me a Dana, me not drink it. Me tell her, Dana know all of them there's something there. Why you think Dana they laugh? Dana know. When Dana tell like me say, and me make Paula ball. Dana know say it wasn't me. And she when say Paula went tea for $300,000. $300,000 Jamaican. Yes! Me tell her whole heap of time. Whole heap of time. All of what they come out right now, Dana already know. News to Dana. All who they ball, and all who they sorry for Dana, and all who they this. Dana know them they tory them long time. Long time. It ain't take no rocket scientist to tell him nothing. The same day, the same very day, when Dana called and they apologized with Paul upon the phone. Me bust out enough story and tell Dana. Cause when Dana called me back, Dana never know say tape in the go on. But me wait have to catch Dana. Me wait have to catch her. Because me they tell us that Dana one of the most bare-faced liar me ever know. Because although the tape them out there. And when I said to Dana, why did you come out and tell the people them say me give you all broke? He said, I know some me mean, I know that me say, but that's not what you tell the people them though. You tell them say me give you all broke. I me never said nothing down there for you. I know that me when mean, me a talk like the African clothes them, all time clothes them. Me say no all time clothes, African clothes and not all time clothes. Me ain't said no portion of clothes down there, appear cut up jeans and then something there. But me said must about 4 African clothes. One green and white one gold and black. One red and white. African. In a plastic. New brand. So when you hear she say all clothes them, it wasn't all clothes as in all clothes. She want to say like ancient day ardents. In know say African clothes they wear. She never know say African clothes they wear. Let me show you something. Because I wear all of them one time. I wear all of them one time. You don't think I joke me I make. All of them was worn one time. I have over 7,000. I don't know what I'm going to... These are lucky things that the phone can't hold so much sitting. It's a lucky thing that the phone can't hold so much something. It's a damn good thing. Because you really think say, me may have to catch her. Me may have to catch her pan tape. Me I tell you no guys, me may have to catch her pan tape. Because when she go look pan me and say she never said this and she never said that, me say, but Donna, me have it pan the same thing, you know. You hold the pan the tape, what you mean? What you mean? Say you never say it. And right away Paula start to talk about forgiveness. And that's why God forgive we. And God this and God that. Lord Jesus, let me show you me sexy girl. Me I go put her out, you know. Me I go put her out and this is from 2018. Me show you something. No pick me no hot so, you know. None of uno girl no hot so. Look there. None of uno girl no hot so. Not even drawers me girl have on under that day. It's from 2018. Me out put them pan me wall. None of uno pick ne. And no bleaching. No bleaching. Could they? No bleaching. No did they some put them up. If me not put them up sitting wrong. Could ya? And a 3 pitney share. Hey? By the time she have the pitney, her size come right back. Right back. Could ya? Look here. Look here. No pitney no look like mine. None of uno. Oh. None of uno. My daughter beauty queen. Beauty queen. For me girl a beauty queen. No filter. Nothing. Could they? No filter, no. You can't talk to me. Why? Me I put up the whole our picture them on my wall. And I want to not have a competition. Put up phone too. Me I go no competition for there, you know. Now no want to accept the challenge them, you know. You do not want to accept it. Let me give you a glimpse of this suit. That's it. You no clutch no pearl there. No clutch no pearl and they act like I'm no surprise. See a Paula and his sister and the whole of them. The whole of them up there. The whole of them up there. Tina did it because Tina might be the pay off money wa in data went down thief. In data runway and gone. You no remember say Tina data went thief up if her money up that them beat her and run her. Tina uncle did it because Tina must have to walk off back the money, you know. But what do you know? Tina uncle did it laugh at me because Tina have to work off back the money what her daughter went thief. Her daughter thief up than her money. So Tina have to walk there. Tina have to walk there. I don't know if I'm about if he have to walk there. He have to walk there. Oh, so no stay there. Have to work there. A pair thief up there. I don't know Paula the thief. I don't know. Me tell you say, a whole heap of money me send. Whole heap of money me send on the pan paper. They tell nobody they don't do about no paper for write down nothing. Everybody take what they want. More sure no one of the suit. Me now put the lady face in there. See one of the suit here. Me give the lady a one of the suit. See one of the suit here. She not have on the top. She just have on the bottom and find another blouse put with it. See one of the skirt there. And then me something when send when you hear Dana say all clothes them. And in a mean say all clothes as in wear and left. Here she the clothes she want tell you no. But you know how Dana stay. You don't know how Dana stay. Me sure no one of the people them man when me take away from out of the hotel. One of the people them man when me take away from Iberia Star. I mean they know say a somebody man. Me never know say when somebody man. Me I gotta show him up right here now. Me and him not there again, so no they can't say anything. I wear a picture of them, me just want to see it, you know. Me just want to see it. Me and him not there again. If the woman want catch him and beat him in a head in galang, me no care. A bad boy. Bad boy. Me tell you no say a pair 3-way phone call used to go on up there. I guess if I went in at them the time there when Lori and when love tape and then something there, the whole of them would have the pan tape. Cause then licky you know. Then licky then love to receive stuff, the whole of them. The whole of them. You hear done about a she make me into make Paula make no I don't know Paula do nothing. Me when they chat to Dana, me they chat to Paula different. Paula having own pickup person them, Dana having own pickup person them. No know that. Paula have a whole set of pickup person. And Dana have a whole set. No tande. See me daughter when she went baby, when me live on Macatty Street. See me daughter when she went baby. And my daughter that day know when she went baby, then think I went one white man pick me. Or me live a baby, then think me they catch white man. See there? And my daughter that when she went baby. See there? White girl. So no move no dirty ras. No go away. Already African clothes them man. You say me have so much picture in here. Me have so much picture in here. It's ridiculous. Me no in no rush. Pum can and a fully fake. See me wearing my bath suit here already. Pum can. Pum can. Pum can is coming up. Coming up. You know the surprise. Poor Dana. What they go happen to Dana? Nothing happened to Dana. You no say Dana back broad. You no hear Dana say she named Dana Marigo. Nothing happened to Dana. Not one mother Ross that happened to Dana. Nothing. Me tell you no long time. All of who they collect money from people. Me tell you the very same night when Dana fire Claudia. When Dana fire Claudia, the Christmas weekday. And then he said people come broke in our house and thief the things them kind of want pay me my money. Me tell you no from in at them the time there. And when me talk to Claudia and somebody else when they on the phone. And me say, Claudia, what I done a fire for? Saying in thief this and in thief that. And the little sitting them when we in gear figure the little baby. You have to carry them back, go get Dana and Dana give him one for give him from out. They say, but I know so it's supposed to go, you know, Claudia. All of the baby stuff them that me send on was for you and Mr. Perry. And who she said blessing her again? He said God they bless him. You know if you say God they bless him or who? Me no know. Because me no know who they bless her. Alright, see them here. See one night here. See one eye African clothes here. See it here? This are the green and white one. The green and white one. That are when me live in a Williams Island. Near Oprah Winfrey house in a Williams Island. Me can stay up on the balcony upstairs and take one rock stone and fling over there in a Oprah house. Yep. Yep. Not kidding you. Look how the girl teeth white and pretty. Look here. Look here. Look here, people. My face fatty. That are the green and white one. Williams Island, me went there. See it here? Find out, Google Williams Island in Florida. I want to see what me I talk about. Shout out to your cousin for winning a second term as councillor. Shout out to Simpson cousin for winning. Shout out, that's all. Shout out. Him our PNP or Labour, right? A PNP or Labour, right? This is me, a Iberia star, this is me day. You see that frat there? Half of the runway come from. Half of the runway. Yes. Half of the runway. Look at me hand. Me have on more than 6 Pandora bracelets. JLP. That's because me show the green clothes. Look at me hand with gold and Pandora bracelets. Bracelets, you know, me used to wear whole heap. Whole heap of them. Whole heap, whole heap. See when I look at you so. See when I people them mania. Look at the bracelet them. That the one hand have on more than 7 bracelet people. That the one hand there have on more than 7 bracelet. I mean gold, rose gold, and the silver one them. Look there. See me and the people them mania. And not for me him no more. Me don't know where him there. I don't know where him there. Let me see, me find no more. Are the people them, man? Come here. What you no fear, see?